I need a cup of coarsely chopped pecans. Actually, the recipe calls for a 1/4 cup pistachios, a 1/4 cup hazelnuts, a 1/4 cup of pecans, a 1/4 cup of almonds, and a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. So I guess I really need a cup and a 1/4. So, get a few more in there. I've seen them do this on something. I don't know if it's right or not. Okay, so I've chopped my pecans and I have all my ingredients laid out, finally, after a trip to the store. We're gonna mix the batter now. I need a stick of butter, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, and then it says to mix this up a little bit with a hand mixer. One teaspoon pure vanilla extract. I have imitation vanilla extract. I'm all about using what you've got in the kitchen already. 1 tablespoon orange zest. I don't have orange zest, but I have orange flavoring. So I'm gonna go ahead and since it says a tablespoon of orange zest, I'm thinking I put a teaspoon of orange flavoring in there. And then it says 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now it says 1 cup flour. And you want to do that little by little because I know this is going to be very thick at some point. Oh, guess what? It says 1 teaspoon of baking powder too. And here I've already mixed that up. Oh well. Looks like a teaspoon, doesn't it? Let's go with that. Okay. Here's the fruit, which I have soaked in a cup of honey bourbon. The thing is, it said to actually soak it in 1/2 cup, so I kind of overdid that. Now I'm supposed to add the nuts and fruit into the batter. That doesn't look like enough batter, does it? We're gonna put those fruits in there, and then we're gonna add the pecans in. We're supposed to mix that all up. That bourbon's strong, my eyes are watering. So now all I have to do is put it in my push pan. Push that down in there. I've already made a sling for my Instant Pot because if you use an Instant Pot and you're using another pot to go in it or pan, it's hard to get out of there sometimes. I'm gonna put the pan on the sling, just like that. We're gonna put that in there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna do it on high pressure for 90 minutes. Let it release itself naturally for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes, do a quick release. So we'll check on the cake in 90 minutes.
Okay.
So while the fruitcake was cooking in the Instant Pot, Ralph and I went to church to see the children's Christmas play, and it was fabulous. I came home and we were supposed to release naturally in the Instant Pot for the first 10 minutes and then release the rest ourselves with a quick release. Well, I came home and it was already off. So we're just gonna open it and see what happens. I'm kind of scared. I'll use my sling to get this out. It's very moist. So there's my fruitcake. Can't wait for Tyrone to taste it and see how it fares against Mark's.